How to remove background noise in any videos using AI. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can easily remove any background videos of your videos using AI. So here's we have a great AI tool or AI website, that is Veed.io. So just head over to this website and you should land on this page. Now simply open this demo version over here and just drag and upload your video just like this. And as you can see, I've already uploaded a video which is around 6 seconds. So to remove any video background noise, you just head over to this magic section over here, which is the magic tools. So Veed.io provides some magic tools such as green screen, remove background, remove contact or eye contact, as well as clean audio. So since we want to remove our background noise, you just have to click on this clean audio, but always make sure that you need to sign into your account and you need to have a paid version rather than free version, because it's, as you can see, it's on upgrade sign. So you must get a premium feature to try this feature out. So unless and until you have premium feature, you will not be able to try this feature out. But that's exactly how we do it, guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.